Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm going to give you my thoughts on the Nokia 7.2. I've been using it for a few weeks now, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I wanted to do a follow-up video on the Nokia 7.2. When I bought this phone a couple weeks ago, I really had high hopes for it because the Nokia 7.1 was really good phone. I remember using it, I remember enjoying the cameras, I remember not having any problems with the software, also remember pretty decent battery life. Well, with the 7.2, they pretty much threw all of that out the window. Now, I haven't done a camera test for y'all yet, but I'm working on it. But I can tell you one thing, these cameras are not up to par at all. I do not like how they come out. I do not like the pictures. You have to work really hard to get even a halfway decent picture. The software is buggy. This phone will shut off sometimes by itself and reset and restart, And yes, people, I did go ahead and do a factory reset a couple times with this phone and I still had that problem. Some of the apps take a while to open. The camera app takes a while to open. Even the processing time when you're taking a picture, the shutter speed, it's kind of slow. I haven't even mentioned the battery life. Battery life on here, which I got one time almost 4 hours of screen on time, and it was off the charge for about 10 hours to 11 hours. That's just horrible. Then at one time it was like barely over 4 hours with like 13 hours off the charge. I would take the phone off the charge at like 6 a.m. and either I would have to charge it during the day or when I got home at 6 o'clock, at least give me enough charge to get through the rest of the day, which makes no sense. I really was hoping this phone would work out. I don't even know what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to try to sell it, I guess, because I think I'm past the return period. And basically, I don't like returning phones anyway. Somebody asked me in the chat one time or in the comments, I don't know where it was, will you recommend this phone over the Motorola One Zoom? No. If you have $349, you might well save 50 more bucks and buy the Moto One Zoom, which I just sold to a good friend of mine because I know he would enjoy the phone. Don't buy this phone. I'm sorry, Nokia, if you're watching this video. Maybe updates will fix the phone later on. Maybe not. I don't know. But stay tuned. I'm going to do the camera test still, so that way you can see the camera in action, and y'all can let me know in that video what y'all think about it. I want to see if I can get the camera app to actually take a while to open. Now, one thing it does do well, it does look pretty beautiful. That screen looks great. The little tear notch is great also. In the camera app, it does have a cool feature. I know, shout out to my Project 13. He would actually like it. You can do picture-in-picture, or you can do where you film yourself and also use the rear camera at the same time. So that's actually pretty cool. The video footage that you get is not the greatest, but it's actually a cool little feature to still have on the phone. But let me see if I can get this and see how slow it is. You just see that little stutter there? It's just, I don't know, something about it. It's just not the quickest. If you look down here too, when I take the picture, let's see. You can see it just takes a little bit. I mean, it just took that picture there. And then this is the picture itself. I don't know how it's going to come out on the phone, but it looks blurry. Not the greatest picture at all, but that was a nighttime picture too. Yes, I'm working on the nighttime, but if you just look, I'm going to take another picture. I don't know, it just moves slow. Sometimes like Instagram or Facebook, I mean, that's just slow. Twitter. I don't know. Maybe I'm overreacting with the phone. I just think everything opens up a little bit slower. Now, here it runs pretty smooth, but when you open up the apps, it's just slow. But y'all stay tuned to the channel because I will drop the camera review. I just want to see everybody's opinions on it. But right now, I could not recommend this phone for anybody. I know some in my comments, people said they really enjoy it. To be honest, I haven't used the phone in about a week or so. I just couldn't stand it. Even the phone calls, when I was trying to do speaker phone calls or even talk on it, text, it just wasn't the greatest experience that I had with a phone. It is what it is. I'm not enjoying the phone, but if you do, let me know in the comments. Let's get the discussion going. This was just a quick update on the Nokia 7.2. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the 7.2 from Nokia. I will be updating it with the camera review coming up really soon. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.